Hello and welcome to another update video about AGIX. Yeah, taking a look at the bigger picture, I explained already the adjusted wave count to you in the last video. I just find this one more reliable, which assumes that we're currently in a wave 4 correction. Now that needs to finish above 15.77 cents, or any more upside in a fifth wave will get fairly unlikely. So the white wave count is one I'm observing, but it really needs to show a reaction before breaking and sustaining below 15.77 cents. That's the 50% retracement. Can't really defend this as a wave 4 anymore if price breaks below that level. So we're very much watching for a reaction here. If price breaks below that level, it could of course still work as a so-called diagonal structure, but would then become very, very unreliable. Seems to me that price rallied in 3 waves of the 2022 lows, and therefore this could be counted as a 4th wave, but it really needs to show us that 5th wave reaction before breaking below that magical 50% retracement level. If we do that and break below that level, then I would count the move down as a wave 1, which would be a bearish perspective. The yellow wave count, ABC structure to the upside here, yeah. And if we make another low, and then I will personally get out of my position if we get that wave 2 rally. I don't have a massive position anyway, it's just a small position. I'll try to find a good exit. If we basically break below 15.7 cents and I see, oh dear, this cannot really be a wave 4 anymore, probabilities shift towards a wave 1. Yeah, that this is basically a wave 1 in an overall downtrend. Price would then rally in an ABC structure in a wave 2. And will likely not go to a new all-time high in this cycle here. Then in a 3rd wave down, I want to be out. I want to be out in this wave 2 actually. And the 3rd wave down would possibly even be a short opportunity out of this resistance area. But can you see that? The resistance shows that price might even rally all the way up to 49 cents. Now that really depends on how low the wave 1 goes. But first of all, before we get any clarity here, we need to understand where price turns around. At the moment, it doesn't really give me any indication it is turning around. It can happen quickly. And if it's doing that now, and if it's rallying now, before breaking below 15.77 cents, I would count it as a wave 5. I would still take profits along the way probably. Yeah, I'm watching that level. And if we break below that level, it's likely the yellow wave count. And then the next rally will likely be corrective. I think that's really what it's about. First indication that a low is in at all would be a break above the 22.3 cent level here, the last swing high. You can already get an earlier indication, which would be the 50% retracement. So a break above 18.94 cents would be a very early indication that a low is in, but it would be very, very early. It's basically, if that level is crossed, we can at least start to talk about that a low might be in. That's my update about AGIX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.